Welcome to this tutorial that will guide you through how to view details in the Moomoo app. Whether you're new to Moomoo or just need a quick refresher, this video will help you explore the app's features related to stock transfer requests. Let's get started. First things first, you'll want to open the Moomoo app on your device. If you haven't already installed it, you'll need to download it from your app store and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the section where you can manage your stock transfers. This is typically found in the Portfolio or Transfers section of the app. If you're having trouble locating it, look for a tab or menu option that mentions stock transfers. Once you've reached your stock transfer request area, you'll see a list of any existing transfer requests you've made. These could be pending transfers, transfers in progress, or even completed ones. Each entry should have some basic information displayed, but to get a more detailed view, you'll need to take one more step. Tap on the View Details option next to the specific transfer request you're interested in. This is a crucial step because it allows you to see the current status of your transfer along with any additional information that might be relevant. The Details page provides a comprehensive overview, including the timing of the transfer, any fees involved, and the expected completion date. It's a handy tool to ensure everything is proceeding as expected and to address any discrepancies promptly. And just like that, you've successfully viewed the details of your stock transfer request in Moomoo. It's a straightforward process, but taking the time to check these details can help you stay informed and in control of your investments. Regularly monitoring your transfer requests can also help you catch any issues early on, allowing you to address them with the support team if necessary. Remember, the Moomoo app is designed to make managing your investments as seamless as possible. By familiarizing yourself with these features, you can enhance your trading experience and make more informed decisions. Thank you for watching this quick guide on viewing details in Moomoo. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials on maximizing your use of financial apps. Feel free to leave any questions or comments down below, and we'll do our best to assist you. Have a great day and happy investing.